how to let go of outcome as it affects the law of attraction. Could affect your relationship, could affect your business, could affect the money that you have flowing into your life. If you're not allowing energy to flow, then energy has no place to grow. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Be sure and click the bell icon because we're here all the time with new videos to empower your life. Now, I want to talk about this whole notion of letting it go and letting the energy flow. And some people believe that it's about not caring or not having any kind of desire for anything. It's almost kind of a monk-like attitude. But we are manifestors. We are creators of our reality. And so we need to do both. We need to create through intention what we desire. And at the same time, we need to let go and allow the universe to do its work. So high flyers, one of the things that I have found very important is to let go in advance. In other words, if you're opening up a business, let go of all the worries and the fears and the doubts and the stress in advance of opening up the business. If you're involved in a relationship, let go of all those fears and doubts and anxieties that are holding you back from having the best possible relationship you could have. And the same is true with health. So let me share with you a story that illustrates how to let go in advance. In the gospel, there's this beautiful story of this Roman centurion captain, and he's got a house servant. Now, may have been his lover, may have been his friend, may have just been a servant. We don't really know. But it's obvious that this Roman captain really cared for this servant. And he goes to Jesus. I mean, he's probably tried all the Roman medicines available at the time, and he's desperate. He goes to Jesus and he says, "My servant is sick. If you'll just say the word, I know my servant will be healed." Jesus says, "Well, take me to him." And he says, "No, look, I'm a man of authority. I understand authority. If I tell my soldiers to go here, go there, they do it. And I know the same is true with you. You are a man of authority. If you speak the word, I know it will happen." And Jesus marveled at this man's faith. You see, he let go of attachment in advance, high flyers. And so then shortly thereafter, somebody came running up to him and said, "Your servant is healed and is up and healthy." So I just love that story because it's about letting go of your fears, your doubts, your worries, your apprehensions, your anxiety in advance of what it is that you desire to manifest. You see, what this Roman soldier had is what is called in Greek gnosis. He had this knowingness. I know that I know that I know. I'm absolutely certain. I understand it. He is a man of authority. If he says it, it will happen. I understand that. Now, pause with me for a moment. Pause. Take a deep breath. Are you ready? You are co-creator of your reality. You are a man or a woman of great authority. You have universal, incredible powers flowing through you. If you say but the word, speak your intention without any doubt, without any fear, without any anxiety, without any need to hold on to outcome. it will manifest. You see, high flyers, a lot of people are saying, well, it's just not in the cards, Robert. It's not in the cards. It's just not meant for me. It's just not meant for me. What is meant for you? What the hell is meant for you? Whatever you say, whatever you speak, with total abandonment to outcome, with total gnosis, knowledge that what you speak is manifesting in your life. The relationship you desire, the money you desire, whatever. And I'm not talking about desire in the sense of want. I'm talking about desire in the sense of knowing that you are claiming it to be meant for you. You have that power. You have that authority. Claim it now. High flyers, I believe you need to write this down. You need to memorize this. The beliefs you have or choose to have is the reality that you manifest. So, number one, let go of outdated, limiting beliefs. Let go of beliefs that say, I can't do this. It's not meant for me. I'm not right for it. I'm too old for it. I'm too young for it. When I was on the streets, a step above the streets, not even my family called me. And people around me, strangers, when I would talk to them about my plight, you know what they would say? It's not meant for you. Your life is over. I don't think so, high flyers. I think what's meant for me is what I invoke into my life through the law of attraction, the law of vibration, and through my determination and inspired action. Secondly, high flyers, claim to be a master of your own thoughts and emotions. Go out of your way to monitor your thoughts, because your thoughts will affect your emotions, and your emotions will affect what you manifest in your life. Be a master of thoughts and emotions. So, high flyers, number 3 is really important. Listen to me. Ask yourself this question. What do I get? What's the payoff? What happens if I continue to think the way I think and feel the way I feel? Well, one of the payoffs may be control. You have this illusion that you have control in your life. I have one client that called me. He said, I want an appointment every day with you. Well, that's about control. At some point, you do the work and then you allow that energy to flow for a while, and then you have another appointment and you readjust. Control takes away flow. Control takes away flow. Fear cripples your flow. Oh, I'm worried my business won't make any money. I'm worried I'm going to be broke. I don't know if she'll ever come back to me. I don't know if this marriage is ever going to work. Fear and doubt. They literally take a sharp sword and stab it into flow. It's literally a death blow to the flow of energy. You've got to let it go. Let it go. And let the energy flow. And then reframe. And one of the ways to reframe, the easiest way to reframe a belief, an old belief into a new belief. The old belief says, what if my business fails? What if I lose all the money I've saved? What if my boyfriend doesn't ever call me back? And the new belief says, what if I make $1 million in my business? What if I make more money than I've ever made before? What if my old boyfriend turns into a new boyfriend in a new relationship? What if I have a miracle happen in my life? You see, so many people have given up by constantly talking to themselves in a negative what if frame. Reframe it. Every negative what if that you can write down on a piece of paper, rewrite it. Okay? Do it. Do it. Trust me. And then finally, breathe. Just breathe. Take some deep breaths throughout the day. Pause for a breath. Breathe. Let it go and let it flow. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.